Hi there, I'm Sumit and I wanted to introduce you to SolveX, a project whereby I wish to teach programming to anybody who is interested. And the process is very similar to how you would learn the language Rust through the project called Rustlings. If you have not been introduced to it, in short, it's basically the code is already written for you. So it's very exciting because you see most of the code. What you do is you solve small problems, small bugs which are in the code. For that, you refer to documentation which you might need to. And through that, you get to learn in depth about Rust, the programming language, but in an incrementally more difficult manner. So each chapter goes through more difficult things. The same concept I'm applying to full stack applications. So there's a React frontend and a Python backend, and then you just go through chapter by chapter. As you can see, I'm just building this this very early stage, but I'm working on this on a regular basis, and I'm right now building the web app, but there'll be a backend to it. So the web app is a React based web app, full-fledged, like a proper React application with app logic, with app state, router and everything else. And there'll be a Python backend with everything that you expect out of an asynchronous Python backend, with a micro framework like FastAPI, and then a PostgreSQL based database with Docker and Kubernetes and all the moving parts that you need to fully deploy an application, with payments there, search, supply side, onboarding, demand side. So as you'd expect out of an Airbnb. So what I'm trying to build is an Airbnb like clone. Now what you do is go chapter by chapter, each git commit that you check out to. So there'll be tags for different chapters, and each chapter going from 1 to however many there will be will basically incrementally increase upon the level of the complexity that is involved. So initially it maybe start off with HTML bugs, CSS bugs, and then go to React components, and then go to APIs, then go to Python level stuff, and gradually move on to like the full stack overview, and then databases and stuff like that. It'll be very exciting. I hope you'll really like it, and please share your feedback. I'm very happy to share this journey from the very beginning with everybody, and let's see what you guys have to think about it. Please let me know in the comments, and I'll be very happy to actually have a chat with you whenever you wish to about this. Have fun.